Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best emergency radio on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Redicast TR112 emergency radio. Let's get started. Product features. Wide multiband support. Covers AM, FM, MW, air, ham radio, shortwave, SW, VHF, and WB minibands, giving you access to global broadcasts and essential emergency information anywhere you go. Aviation band accessed includes an aviation band that lets you listen to real-time communication between aircraft and control towers, offering an educational and immersive listening experience. Compact and lightweight design. Designed for portability with a lightweight structure that's ideal for camping, hiking, emergency kits, and any outdoor activity where communication is crucial. 1600 mAh rechargeable battery. Equipped with a built-in 1600 mAh battery that delivers over 10 hours of continuous playtime, providing reliable power during long listening sessions or emergencies. Smartphone app control features a user-friendly mobile app that allows remote control of band switching, frequency selection, volume adjustments, and even radio broadcast recording. Enhanced bass sound effect. Built with a bass enhancement system that improves audio depth and clarity, giving you richer sound quality across all supported frequency bands. Multiple search options. Offers full auto channel scanning plus automatic and manual storage, helping you find stations quickly and save your favorite channels for instant access. Perfect for emergencies and travel. Its wide band coverage, long battery life, and portable design make it an excellent companion for emergency preparedness, travel, and outdoor adventures. Pros: huge range of frequency bands, aviation band for real-time communication listening. App control adds modern convenience, lightweight and easy to carry, long battery life, strong audio performance with bass effect. Cons: no built-in flashlight. App features may vary by region. Not waterproof. Final thought. The Redicast TR112 emergency radio combines advanced multi-band performance, portability, app functionality, and impressive battery life. Whether for emergencies, travel, or hobby listening, it delivers excellent value and reliability. Stay prepared and stay connected. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful content.